Hello.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Asif Masood. I'm a part of the Interfaith Committee at MCC, and we have put on this multi-faith run walk today as a way to come together and bring people of different faiths together to join together and do something for a worthy cause, facing history for this instance, and walk, race, and get together to eat later today. So it's a way to bring everybody together and have a little bit of fun and do something productive. Like we like each other.
Like we like each other.
Yeah, exactly.
That is the
That's
point.
why we are here.
All right, it's such an honor to be able to be here with all of you to be doing this. I'm going to turn this over to Asif Masood from the Islamic Center of the Morton Grove Islamic Community, Muslim Community Center, Morton Grove. There we go. Who's going to offer up just a few spiritual words before we begin. And then I'm going to turn it over to Fred Miller, whose idea this was, and he's going to kind of walk you through why we're here and what the day is going to look like. And then we'll answer any questions, and we will be off. So, Asif.
That work? Okay, great. And of course you can't see my face if I have it up like that. Okay, great. So welcome everybody. I want to greet you with the time-honored greeting of the Muslims. Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. It is with great joy that I welcome all of you to this event. We've been planning this for a couple months now, and it's just a wonder. We were just talking about this earlier. Like yesterday, it was pouring and dreary and wet and all that, and today, grace due to God, we have a beautiful day out, sun's out, weather's great, and so I want to welcome you guys here again, and on behalf of all the 5 communities that are out here, so Muslim Community Center, Winnetka Congregational Center, Congregation Hakafa, the Sikh community from Palatine, and the Baha'i community, and offer some words of prayer. So thank you, God, for creating this beautiful day. Thank you, God, for bringing us all together to do something meaningful. It's like, I was just thinking where I was driving here, Trump's in town for a couple days this weekend, right? So for us to
We invited him.
for us to be here, that was, kind of almost, I don't want to say opposite, but for a different reason, for a different purpose, coming together to do something meaningful, raise money for facing history, but really about getting to know each other as faith groups, as people. We are people here, and it's all due to the grace of God that we have come together, and I ask that He bless this gathering, bless our walk, bless our run, bless the food we're going to have later today, and that we're going to create connections today that will last a lifetime. Bruce and Jeff and some of the others, Don, we met a year ago going down to Houston to help with the hurricanes, and we'll continue to do this. And Mag, I met her doing a photo shoot like 2 years ago, and we continue to stay connected. So this is all about not just a one-time thing. This is about creating lifelong connections that we can keep going and hopefully continue to do something more meaningful with our lives, and that aligns with our values and our purpose. So, thank you.
Which I can remember. So thank you for coming, and again, the purpose of being here is to break down the bubble. I think that was the rude awakening that we all had with the last election, not to be too political about it, but that we may have certain sympathies for other communities, but we don't necessarily know them and interact with them. And this is, as us have said, the start. Amazingly, we haven't been arrested yet, but hopefully the rest of the day will go accordingly. But so as you walk and as you run, this is not a competitive event. Strike up a conversation. Get to know somebody who you haven't known before. So that's pretty much the deal here. In terms of some of the housekeeping things, we are sharing a bike path with Lance Armstrong wannabes, so be a little careful. Make sure you stay to the right. Walk slow enough, run slow enough that you can carry on a conversation. Be careful. You should have gotten a map when you signed in, and it has phone numbers on there? If you haven't, you can pick it up.
We haven't even
Get them. Okay. Well, there's a map to. So after this, we're going to meet at what's called the Takeoff Center or Takeoff Center in Glencoe for a potluck dinner. So there is a map that will tell you how to get there. It has an address, but also has Asif and my phone numbers on there. In the event that something goes terribly wrong, Asif will help you out. So that's pretty much it. So then we have to tell people where to go.